We've all been told the classic basics are supposed to be timeless, that never goes out of style. But I have to be honest with you, that is a lie. If you're still wearing the classics the same way like you've been doing for years, that is the fastest way to make you look plain, boring, and even outdated. So let me show you some simple tweaks. I'm using this myself every day to make every outfit look more up to date. Links are down below for everything I'm wearing and tagged on YouTube Shopping, or scan the QR code to go to my blog post. Make sure you watch till the end. I'm going to talk about cardigans. That is a major one. We all have it, but it's also the easiest item to make us look dated or older. Let me start with this outfit. Crewneck cashmere straight leg jeans. Both are classics, both are basics, but it just doesn't look flattering and it kind of gives you that major 2019 vibe. Here's the thing that most women do not realize. When your top is so basic like this, you're primarily relying on your bottom to make your entire outfit look good. But I don't mean that you gotta wear statement pieces for your bottom. In this case, I'm gonna switch to a different pair of jeans. But don't get me wrong, straight leg jeans are in style. But in this combination, the top and bottom both look so narrow, this silhouette does not look current. So I'm switching to this pair from J. Crew. This is a kick flare, got a subtle flare leg in it. Not too exaggerated, very flattering for those of us with shorter legs like myself. So you might be thinking, well, gee, doesn't this look similar? Wait till I do this. So instead of the ankle booties, which is another classic, I am switching to something more current. Hidden Heel. I got from Sam Edelman. I have this in 3 different colors. Next, accessorize. First adding the belt and then simple jewelry. The bracelets, this one from Monica Van Nyder and this one Nordstrom in-house brand, very economical. Now here's a finished look. Here's the before, here's the after. So now you see with those simple tweaks, even though I was changing just 10% of my outfit, it made my entire outfit 100% more up to date. Speaking of outdated, a lot of times that happens because we're trying to hold on to things that has once worked, but we never revisit it. And then I realized I'm doing exactly the same thing with my beddings. So I've upgraded everything with this Bow and Branch organic beddings. Let me first thank them for sponsoring today's video. To be honest, I used to think organic only matters in food because you eat them. But now that I feel how different these sheets are, there is no going back. So soft, I literally feel like I'm being hugged. Duvet cover, got a subtle texture. Waffle blanket. This is that one piece. Immediately make your entire bedding look like 10 times more expensive. But that also got me thinking, how come putting a lot of money on where people can see? Wardrobe, anti-aging skincare, but not where people cannot see. Bed sheets and a good night's sleep. So if you're doing the same thing, it's time to think about investing in your sleep. When I get a good night's sleep, my skin looks better and I'm just generally in a much better mood. Especially now that I'm in my 40s now, sleep is not what it used to be, and these sheets really help. So scan the QR code or go to the link in my description box and use my code for 15% off. After you try it, you're gonna realize, wow, I really needed it. Now back to our classics. Blazer is definitely one of them, especially black blazers. How many times have we all heard black blazer is supposed to go with everything? I do agree they are very versatile and they don't go out of style. And this is actually a new one I just got from Abercrombie because it's a petite size. However, you have to think about how you're actually wearing it. A lot of us default to this combo. So I got blazer, dress pants, and pumps. They do naturally go together. The only thing is, this is too corporate and it immediately makes you like 10 years older. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to fix the bottom. I'm switching to a pair of straight leg jeans. This pair I just got from Spanx, petite size, 27-inch inseam. Immediately, it changes the vibe of the whole outfit. But hang on a second, I know you got a question. Well, Chi, you just showed us the first outfit where straight leg jeans make your outfit look dated. But why are you wearing it like this? Here is a major difference. It looks very subtle, but it makes a very big difference. The first outfit, both the top and the bottom look fitted. That's what makes outfit look not so current, but in this case, because my blazer is relaxed fit. So when you pair them with a pair of straight leg jeans, it works. The next step, you already know, I'm gonna add a belt, but then I'm also gonna switch to a different pair of shoes. Instead of black pumps, I'm going with these strappy sandals I got from Quinn's almost a year ago. We all got a pair of pumps, and especially black pumps. Even though they are supposed to be very versatile, you do have to be careful how you're wearing them. If I wear them in this all black combo, it emphasizes that corporate vibe. So instead, when I switch to these shoes, it looks more delicate and it adds a touch of romantic vibe. So this makes the outfit look more modern as well. Here's the before, here's the after. Same blazer, different bottoms, completely different looks. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, Chi, what if I need to wear my blazer to work and I am not supposed to wear jeans? Let me show you how you can wear black blazer with dress pants in a different way that does not age you. Go with something like this. Aritzia effortless cropped pants. I got this almost a year ago. It's still one of my most worn pair of dress pants. Do make sure you get the right version because I'm wearing the cropped version of the effortless pants. They make two versions of it. They do have a full version, which they make a short length, but this is a cropped version. And these are about 26-inch inseam. Compared to the original outfit, this looks 10 times better. First of all, the color combo. Not that all black does not work. It does work. I love all black, but in this combination, with silhouette, shoes, everything else going on, it just doesn't look flattering and can very easily age you. But on the other hand, when I switch to black and white combo, and here's the thing what most women do not realize, they think we're told black is supposed to go with every color, but black really looks the best, either with black or with white. So when I switch to white pants, this is a much sharper contrast, so the outfit looks stunning. Another big part of it, these pants are high-waisted and I am adding a belt. That's why belts are so important. This again emphasizes my waistline. That's so critical for those of us with shorter legs. I'm 5'2" and my legs are extra short. So when I do this combination, I'm drawing more attention to my waist and that makes my legs look more elongated. And of course, the leg shape of these pants are slightly wider, but they are straight leg primarily. So these always make you look more flattering and it's also very easy to pull off. Leggings. Most of us have at least one pair like this. Black leggings, stretchy, narrow leg. This one I got from Zara a little while back. I love how comfortable this is, but I have to be honest with you, it's one of the most tricky bottoms to wear. Now, this is not the gym kind of leggings. This is what you would wear outside as a pair of pants because they're so clingy, especially, there's two types of leggings. One is like this narrow leg. One is straight leg. Straight leg is going to be a little better, but still in general, because they are very clingy to your bottom, for those of us carry more weight in the midsection like myself, this is really the most unforgiving kind of bottom. Now the worst part, because it makes us feel like our tummy is being exposed, most of us would go with a longer top like this to cover it up. You see what this does? It makes your legs look super cut off. And of course, this entire outfit looks like it has not been updated since like 2019. You might be thinking, well, Chi, I only wear leggings when it's really casual on weekends, when I run errands, because it's so comfortable. But let me show you something that's just as comfortable, actually more comfortable, and still very casual you can wear on weekends. Something like this. Relaxed fit, narrow leg pants. These actually are barrel pants I found on Spanx. But do not freak out just because it's called barrel pants. I know a lot of you have mentioned in the comments, Chi, I would never wear barrel pants. That's what I used to feel, but barrel has changed a lot, and especially this year. And also these are petite size, that helps a lot. These are about 25-inch inseam, which is the reason it works out on a shorter girl like me because it shows the ankle. That's a key. When you look for barrel, you want to make sure they're not too long. Especially when you do this combination, this makes your outfit look very comfortable, casual, but very current. That said, if you're like, well, Chi, no, barrel just not for me. In that case, try this pair. These are actually petite size casual pants I found on Amazon. I got it last year and I'm really impressed by the quality because I wore them for hiking and it got really dirty. I already threw it in the washer and dryer, but the quality is there. One of the easiest ways that I noticed to make your casual outfit look more current is to go with a pair of white sneakers. This pair I got from Steve Madden because white sneaker got that youthful vibe to it. So when you pair them with any of your casual pants, jeans, anything, they are gonna make your outfit look more youthful and also more up to date. I'm so glad you're staying for this part of the video. We're going to talk about cardigans, the one item every woman has in her closet. First of all, I want you to take a look at the fit. Do most of your cardigans look like this? This is something I bought from Banana Republic like 5 years ago, and it looks like it's from 5 years ago. The fit is very tight, buttons are very basic, round neck. If most of your cardigans are like this, and if you're wearing them in this outfit, this kind of combination, yeah, they can make you look quite dated. But I also got good news for you. You don't need to donate them, keep them. I'll tell you why in just a second. But you do need to style them in a different way. So I'm looking at the 2026 new arrivals for cardigans, specifically from most of the popular everyday kind of brands like J. Crew, Madewell, that kind of brands. And what I noticed is a shift in the silhouette. Instead of the oversized fit, which was all over the place in the last 5 years or so, now I'm noticing a trend towards the shrunken fit. Look at this. This one is from Abercrombie. I just got it. Do you notice the fit is actually kind of similar to the one from Banana Republic factory 5 years ago? So fashion is always going to be a revolving door, but the details are different. This one from Abercrombie is more elevated because the buttons are different. It's a fuzzy kind of texture. And the fit, even though it's fitted, it's not tight. So if you are looking to get more cardigans for this year, look for the shrunken fit. That is going to be the most popular silhouette for this year. But regardless how the trends are going to change, I mean, they always are going to change. There are certain cuts that's always going to flatter us more. If you're petite like me, something that fits closer to your body is always easier to style. So keep your fitted cardigans, but just wear them in a more current way. I'm pairing it with my Ann Taylor wide leg pants. I've talked about this pair of pants a lot because this is one of my pants that's most leg elongating. Why? Because these are petite size, but they're 28-inch inseam. That's a full length on me. So it's the right length that partially cover my heels. I wear 2 to 3 inches of kitten heels with it, and this makes my legs look mile long. And because it's a wider fit for the leg shape, and they balance out the fitted silhouette for my cardigan. Also, I'm adding a white t-shirt under. That gives me a very subtle layered look. That's always the most refreshing way to style your cardigan. Wow, congratulations. I'm so glad you watched the entire video. So now you know which classic basics in your closet can be dating your outfits and what you should do about it. Maybe you get a more current version of it. Maybe you style it with something that looks more modern. On my channel, I talk about all things petite because I'm 5'2". I know how hard it is to find anything that fits us. So check back every week. I do a lot of try-on hauls as well as educational content to help you dress for your height and for your specific body shape. If you have not yet, sign up for my newsletter below to receive my weekly styling tips for free straight to your inbox. I will see you in the next video.